Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Have you ever visited a dentist and needed to speak English?
Do you know how to describe a toothache or ask questions about dental treatment in English?
In today's lesson, you'll listen to a long and natural English conversation at a dental clinic.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve their English listening and speaking skills through real-life conversations.
Before we begin, thank you so much for watching and supporting this channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
Now, let's begin.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily.
How are you feeling today?
Not very well.
What's wrong?
I have a bad toothache.
Oh no, which tooth hurts?
The one on the upper right side.
When did the pain start?
It started 2 days ago.
Has the pain become worse?
Yes, it hurts every time I eat.
Does it hurt when you drink something cold?
Yes, especially cold water.
I think it's time to visit a dentist.
I agree.
Don't worry, the dentist will help you.
I hope so.
Is this your first visit to this clinic?
Yes, it is.
The staff here are very friendly.
That's good to know.
Let's go inside.
The clinic looks very clean.
Yes, it does. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Bright Smile Dental Clinic.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I have a toothache and I'd like to see the dentist.
Of course. Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't.
That's okay. Please fill out this patient form.
Certainly.
Do you need any help?
Just one question.
Sure.
What does emergency contact mean?
It means the person we can call if there's an emergency.
Oh, I understand now.
Great.
I finished the form.
Thank you. Please have a seat.
How long is the wait?
About 10 minutes.
That's not too long.
You can relax.
I'm a little nervous.
Many people feel that way.
I don't really like going to the dentist.
Most people don't.
I just hope it won't hurt.
The dentist will explain everything before the treatment.
That makes me feel better.
Receptionist? Mr. Paul?
Yes?
The dentist is ready to see you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, doctor.
Please come in and have a seat.
Thank you.
What seems to be the problem today?
I have a toothache.
Which tooth hurts?
The upper right tooth.
How long have you had this pain?
About 2 days.
Is the pain constant?
No, it gets worse when I eat or drink something cold.
I see. Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, I took some pain medicine last night.
Did it help?
Only a little.
Okay. Please open your mouth.
Like this?
Yes. A little wider, please.
Okay.
I'm going to examine your teeth now.
All right?
Does this tooth hurt?
No.
What about this one?
Ouch. Yes, that's the painful tooth.
I understand. It looks like you have a small cavity.
Is it serious?
No, we found it early.
That's good.
You'll need a filling.
Will it hurt?
Don't worry. I'll use a local anesthetic to keep you comfortable.
That's a relief.
Before we begin, do you have any questions?
No, I think I'm ready.
Excellent. You're doing great, Paul.
Thank you for encouraging me.
Let's begin the treatment. Are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am.
Please lean back in the chair.
Okay?
I'll first clean the area around your tooth.
All right.
If you feel uncomfortable, please raise your hand.
I will.
Now I'm going to give you a small injection.
Will I feel it?
Just a little pinch.
Okay.
You're doing very well.
Thank you.
Can you still feel your tooth?
No, it feels numb now.
Perfect. I'll remove the damaged part of your tooth.
Sounds good.
Everything is going smoothly.
That's good to hear.
Now I'll place the filling.
How long will it take?
Only a few minutes.
Okay.
Almost finished.
That was easier than I expected.
I'm glad to hear that. Now I'll polish the filling.
It already feels better.
Excellent. You're very brave, Paul.
I was nervous for nothing.
Many patients feel that way.
Thank you for being so kind.
You're very welcome.
Doctor, How should I take care of my teeth?
Brush your teeth at least twice a day.
For how long?
Brush for about 2 minutes each time.
Should I floss every day?
Yes, flossing removes food between your teeth.
I don't floss very often.
It's a good habit to start.
What kind of toothpaste should I use?
Use fluoride toothpaste.
Okay.
Also, try to eat less sugary food.
I like candy.
I know you do.
I'll try to eat less.
That's a good decision.
Can I drink coffee?
Yes, but don't drink too much.
What about soft drinks?
Try to avoid them because they contain a lot of sugar.
I understand.
Drink more water.
I will.
Visit the dentist every 6 months.
Even if my teeth don't hurt?
Yes. Regular checkups help prevent bigger problems.
That makes sense.
I'll remind you.
Please do.
Hello, Paul.
Hello?
How was your appointment?
It went very well.
I'm happy to hear that.
How much is today's treatment?
The total is $80.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Here you are.
Please insert your card.
Done.
Please enter your PIN.
Okay.
Your payment was successful.
Great.
Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Would you like to make your next appointment?
Yes, please.
How about 6 months from today?
That works for me.
Your appointment is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
Have a wonderful day.
You too.
How do you feel now?
Much better.
Was the treatment painful?
Not at all.
That's wonderful.
The dentist explained everything clearly.
That helped you relax.
Yes.
What did you learn today?
I learned many new English words.
Excellent.
Toothache,
Very good.
cavity,
Perfect.
filling,
Great.
floss,
Correct.
toothpaste,
Excellent.
checkup.
Wonderful.
I'll brush my teeth more carefully from now on.
That's a healthy habit.
I'll also floss every day.
Your dentist will be proud of you.
Thanks for coming with me today.
You're always welcome.
See you next time.
See you. Excellent job listening.
Today, you learned useful English for visiting the dentist, talking about a toothache, getting treatment, and taking care of your teeth.
Listen to this lesson again and repeat every sentence out loud.
The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Learning.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment below.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye and happy English learning.